Beautiful people, welcome to Chetna's Beauty Hacks. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm gonna share a very effective DIY hair mask with you and I hope you guys will like it. Now, as we all know that our hair contributes towards 80% of our physical appearance, as hair is a symbol of beauty. People with beautiful hair, they tend to be more confident, they feel healthier and they are very well satisfied with their external appearance. So it's very mandatory that we all should take care of our hair and we must follow a regular hair care routine. But we need not spend lots of money going to salons as we can do that at home. So let's get started. The name of this hair mask is Lime Egg and Milk Hair Mask. Now to prepare this hair mask we need 1 lemon, 1 egg and 2 tablespoons milk. Now we will prepare this mask. Take an empty bowl, cut the lemon into 2 pieces and squeeze the juice out of it. Like I am doing. Now add an egg into it and 2 tablespoons milk. Mix it well. As you can see, this mask is prepared. Now I'll tell you how to apply it. Now we are ready to apply this hair mask. Put the hair mask in a bottle so that it becomes easy to apply. Start applying on scalp first. Massage it gently. Oops. Now on the other side. Make partitions and apply. Alright. Now, take this into your hand, rub it, and then starting from the root of your hair till the end of your hair strand, apply it like we apply oil. Then partition into 4. One by one, take the partition areas and again. I hope it's visible to you clearly. Now the second. Now the third and fourth one, which are at the back. Now we are done with applying the hair mask. Now we'll tie the hair. Keep this for half an hour and then wash it. Apply this mask twice a week for best results and please share your experience in the comment section below. In case and subscribe my channel. I'll be back with my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you all.